Hi guys, we're back at it again with a keto and vegan recipe. Today we're doing a walnut chili. Yes, walnut. This is an absolutely delicious, warm chili, perfect for this time of year. One of the secret ingredients we're going to add today is cocoa powder and espresso powder. It changes everything, so don't skip it. With these walnuts, they're going to slowly break down as we simmer and cook, helping to thicken. And after about an hour, we're going to go ahead and hit it with a stick blender and just grind it up just a little bit, still leaving some of that texture in there. We're going to go ahead and we're going to add some cashews, some almonds. This creates an incredible texture that you just really can't go without. For me, at least, it makes all the difference. Serve with avocado and crema. Enjoy.